My name is Sherlyn Valentina. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Victor. Today, we're going to do a pizza challenge. This pizza challenge is going to be really fun for people who love pizza. And they can also learn how to decorate one. So let's go in the video today. Yes, let's start it. To make the pizza base, we need all-purpose flour. I have some in this bowl. We need mozzarella cheese and we need pizza sauce. Guess what? All of the ingredients we need is my favorite pepperoni, tomatoes, pickles, onions and olives. Let's do the yummy pizza! Let's start. So first we need to get 1 full spoon of all-purpose flour. Okay, I am ready to do the flour. So guys, before we start mixing our all-purpose flour, we need to add 3 pinches of baking soda. So it's going to be like this much. 3 pinches of baking soda will be this much. Now we are going to put the baking soda. Now we're going to add water. Now we are going to add all the little bit of water. Let's start! Let's have some fun! Not that done, but I'm really getting the trick of this. Hey, my hands are actually getting so sticky and salty. Yes, sticky. It gets so sticky when you put your hand in a pizza dough. I just need to wash it. This is so sticky. Done mixing. Whoa, Sherlyn, what did happen? Oh my God, you put too much water. Mix it with water. Sherlyn, show me how your hands look like. Is it sticky? No, it's not that sticky. Look. Let's try. But mine's is not sticky. Because you need to mix it with the all-purpose flour. Look, I'm going to get a little because you need more. Okay, I'll now mix it. Okay. And a little bit more. Then mix the others. Pour some little. Oh, someone is coming good. Yeah. And mine is coming good as a ball. I don't know why you have too much water. Sherlyn, look what happened. Who put too much water? Who did? Guys, see mine, so beautiful. See mine! Since our doughs are getting smashed, we're gonna have a snack. So this snack is gummies. We all love gummies. So we're gonna eat gummies. Here, get one. Yeah, we're all gonna eat gummies. I got some worms. Oh, I guess So, my favorite gummy is a Coca Bottle. Yes! It tastes like a real Coke. Guys, our dough is ready. Yes. Now we're gonna spread it around our plate. So we got them out. Oh, they just feel so soft. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep them in the center of our plate, and then we're gonna just press with our fork. My dough is growing because I'm using my 4 fingers. Now our pizza base is all ready. We already flattened it up. Now we're gonna add the pizza sauce. Let's add the sauce. mozzarella cheese. Now I'm gonna add my favorite olives. Let's add our pepperoni. Let's add my pepperoni. Guys, my pizza is decorated with so much toppings. Tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, onions, olives, pepperoni, tomatoes. And now it looks so colorful. Then now I think it's gonna come true. So I also put some tomatoes, 3 tomatoes at the top when I'm done. Then I put some pepperoni in the top, mini pepperonis. Then I put some onion and then pickles on top. We will bake our pizza because I am so hungry. And after we bake our pizza, I'm gonna do something special because I want to make my pizza a treatful pizza. So I'm gonna put gummies in the top, even no one likes it. Also put gummies in mine. Of course. Yours gonna look pretty good with gummies and the snake gummy. Look at it. I like the Coke gummy too. Yeah, it's so real, like Coke and like drinking it. Yes, I love that gummy. Since our pizza is ready, it's now time for it to go in the oven. We're going to put the pizza in the oven right now. Now I'm gonna tell you some cool facts about pizza. Do you know 94% of Americans eat pizza? Guys, did you know all parties need pizza? And did you know October is the National Pizza Month? 3 billion pizzas are sold worldwide each year. And did you know that the world's popular topping is pepperoni? Did you know a pizza was delivered by the Russian space agency? Oh, the world's largest pizza costs $12,000. What? That's a lot of money. Since our pizza is ready, now we're going to have a pizza party. The pizza is going to be so yummy. Now the pizza is out of the oven for tables so that we can eat. I love pizza. We also have some drinks. This is honest. Mine is without a straw. Have something every kid likes. Yes, it's juice. I like this juice because it has a pear, cherry, and some grapes and a pineapple. I like this juice because it has lots of fruits. Am I good? It's good too. I hope you had fun today in our channel. You can also make this pizza and have fun at your home. This is an easy recipe for people who want to make homemade pizza. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys! Bye guys!